Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to our presentation on Tazkeer. It is a Quran memorization app specifically designed for the Muslim woman to strengthen her Quran memorization. So what is Tazkeer? Tazkeer means reminder, and it's a mobile-first web application that focuses on Quran memorization and testing. It provides a solution for the user to test their memorization of the surahs if they don't have anyone to recite to, for example, or if they just generally want to improve. There are many Quran applications out there, but they lack the testing and strength tracking element. So who is the user? The user is the woman or the Muslim woman with childcare and home responsibilities who may find it difficult attending Quran classes and who desires to incorporate the Quran into their daily life. So why have we decided to focus on the Muslim woman? Well, we wanted to personalize the application to the Muslim woman's needs, and we wanted to make plans in the future to create a community around memorization of the Quran, and keeping the community to women will align with the beliefs around haya. So our solution to testing Quran memorization is that they will be able to complete daily tests with a focus on their weaker surahs and get personalized reports and insights of their Quran history, as well as having the opportunity to take initiative and engage in their own self-initialized tests. And these are the core features of our application.
How does our app then track the strength of surahs? So we have a simple traffic light system in place. We have red for weak, orange for medium, and green for strong. When the user signs up, they will select a strength for each surah that they have already memorized. And every time they complete a test, they can update their strength. How do we determine the testing schedule? So we have a system where the weak surahs get practiced most often. The app will prioritize surahs that either don't have any revisions yet, or it will compare timestamps of revisions and choose surahs that haven't been revised recently. And based on these comparisons, it will prompt the test of 2 surahs daily. And then moving on to the app flow. So we have sign up and login. The user will then get to the home page where they see their daily revision surahs and a list of all surahs they have memorized. If they start a test for one of the daily revision surahs, they complete the test, and after that they will update their strength. And these test results will be saved in revision history, and the app will replace the surah in daily revision with the next surah according to schedule, like I explained in the previous slide. And the user can also always complete additional tests for other surahs, and these results will also be saved in revision history, but they will not replace the surah from the daily revision. Then our technical implementation. So we designed our prototype with Figma. Our front end was built with React, Bootstrap, and Redux. Back end was built with Node.js and MongoDB database. The back end gets the surahs from Quran.com Open API. We have also implemented Firebase authentication, and our application has been deployed and it can be tested online. And next we will have a demo of our application.
Okay, let's start the demo. We have an authenticated login, which takes us straight in, where we can find today's practice section. Scrolling down, we find the surahs that have been selected during sign-up. They can be filtered by strength. To test Surah Quraysh, we can select it. In the test, I recite an ayah one by one. If I get stuck, I can unhide an ayah. Otherwise, I can move on. The amount of times I need help with an ayah is tracked. Once complete, I re-evaluate my strength. Let's go into my history for Surah Quraysh. The completed test shows up here, and I can view my progress or test it again. Now in the profile page, I can view my daily streak and my overall Juz Amma strength. Lastly, in the home page, we can see the practice surahs have updated. Anissa will continue. Whoa, mashallah.
Yeah. So
Okay,
our
good.
next steps. So we plan on refining the app through handling edge cases and errors. These are mainly like visual errors for the user. Don't worry, we've handled our own logic errors. There's nothing there. We also want to expand to the full Quran. So you might have noticed we focus on Juz Amma right now. We want people to be able to test the knowledge of the full Quran. Also, we want to transition to a mobile app. You might have noticed we kind of focused on the mobile view of the app, and with our tech stack, it's quite easy to build it as a mobile app. And the community feature is something we want to also focus on, so that we can have a global community where Muslim women around the world are connected to the Quran through our app. And some closing words to wrap up. It's been a fantastic experience working with the team. It's been amazing to see how everyone has come together, collaborated and learned from each other. And we'd also like to thank our team mentor, Khadija, for her lovely insights. And thank you from Team Tazkeer. And if you want to try the app, it's posted and you can have a lot of fun with it if you want. Thank you.